Disassembly. Ensure that the power switch for the machine is set to the on position. Then carefully slide out the handle pin from the dispenser door assembly and remove the 3 handles. Remove all 3 draw valves from the dispenser door and unscrew the 4 door nuts. Slide the dispenser door assembly off the freezing cylinder and turn the machine off. Remove the auger support and the auger bearing from the auger shaft. Slowly slide out the auger shaft assembly from the freezing cylinders and slide the shaft seal and O-ring off of the rear of the auger shaft. Use caution when handling the auger flights. The auger flights can be sharp and may cause injury. On the dispenser door assembly, remove the dispenser door O-rings. Disassemble the carburetor assembly and remove O-ring from air inlet adapter. Remove O-rings from carburetor body. Remove O-rings and H-seal from draw valves. Take all of the disassembled parts to the sink for thorough cleaning.